Hey guys, what's up? It is Landon Gamer here, slash Ultimate Pagan. Today we are playing Paper.io. Let's do this. Already I made my game. I've been practicing. My name is Landon Gamer, so let's just do this. Play. Guys, this isn't playing. Yes. Guys, it's lagging. Okay, so my pink fort is getting better. Okay. I didn't want to touch green, but now I will. Die, green. You cannot touch me, green. Please don't. Yes, I'm in second place. No, I'm in third place. Who just got me? Guys, I know this game. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Paper.io. So here's an example of what it is. So basically, you're a guy, and you're a square color, and you have to try and move around, and then when you're moving around, you're supposed to make your circle, and you're supposed to make your square thing really big, and when it gets really big, basically you get in first place until you die, and then somebody else gets in first place. Yes, I'm in second. Guys, I can't believe I'm in second. No, I was just in first. Now I'm in first. Hey! Now I'm in first. This is a war between... Oh. I wasn't expecting that to happen, guys. Let's play the game. I didn't mean to do that, guys. My controls are being weird today. So sorry about this. My controls are somehow a little bit always weird. What just happened? Guys? What just happened? I'll see you in another .io. Guys, we are playing this IO game. We're trying out most of the IO games, guys, so let's do this. Load, 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 load. Okay, guys, I'll see you when it loads. Guys, it loads, and it doesn't let me do that, so I'm just going to play. And the free skins, it says that you have to do stuff with it. So I don't really know what it means. You don't have to pay for it. It just says something, and I don't want to read it to you guys. What the heck, guys? This is being so... Oh! You are huge! You're huge too! All of you are huge except for me! Sharky is huge. Oh! Dang it. Guys, I'll show you... No. Everybody's so big when I'm just this tiny goblin. No. Guys, it's lagging like crazy, so I keep on exploding. Oh, guys, sorry about Paper.io. It was lagging way too much. So we had to switch to this one. This one is exactly the same as Slither.io. Ooh, thank you. Mine. Because I'm so little, Mr. Shark. You're little too, mister. Guys, I did a video of this before, but I couldn't upload it because I uploaded a different video. That's when I uploaded the floor is lava. So, go check out that video if you haven't. The floor is up. And guys, this is online. So, that's why it's really hard. I wish you could play on a mode that isn't online. But one time on Slither.io, I was on first place. But I was on first place, but like I died straight away. So I definitely did make it first place before, but it took me like 3 hours. It was a really long time for me to do that. I got so annoyed when like I died so many times. The computer one isn't that good. I feel like hello. I'm just gonna circle myself. Follow my mouse. Okay guys, I'm trying to get up on the leaderboard. So who's on there? Blah blah blah. Okay, I know who's all on. Oh guys, my skin changes. I didn't know that. It changes by its own. That's why you can't get it. No. No! Stop that right now. Oh yeah, and guys, just to let you know that I would do videos sooner, but like if you haven't seen the last episode, I'm not allowed to do them per I'm only allowed to do them one per day. So so maybe when we get like I don't know more stuff like if I get over a mil if I get over if I get over 100 subscribers, I would be doing 3 videos a day. Okay, guys? Who's gonna win in that? You. Guys, this is lagging like crazy. What? We have time for about 4 more. Go, 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 go. Stop lagging. Like always, in any of my videos, comment me down below. This is my last time I'm saying it. Comment me down below. Do you hear me down below? That I want to see this video, okay guys? So that, or you want me to play this video game. Like always, maybe I could get it on Google Play, maybe I could get it on, did I just get that guy? Dun 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 dun. What just happened? What? Okay, I'm still alive. You guys are huge. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting out of here. No, I'm not. There's a ginormous bunch of dots. My dots. They're bigger than me, but everybody's surrounding me. This isn't fair. Stop torturing me. Pink bunny. The rainbow pink bunny. What are those? What are those? Yeah. Sorry guys, I accidentally pressed the button maybe for you guys. It's like, Landon, you didn't press that. But I did. It goes by really fast. so like none of you guys would notice it. No, make a circle. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the .i video, and if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Same if you're new. And bye guys, peace out, baby.